going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we have a special challenge for you guys.
The soda challenge?
No, it's the, I mean it is soda,
like
but
the burping.
it's the 2-liter chug challenge with no burping. And if you burp, you lose. And technically,
the first person to burp,
we're making it with a twist, is going to have to squeeze half a lemon into their mouth if they burp first.
it'll probably be me.
Technically, you're supposed to have 2 of the same sodas, but
I
thought I'd
beer.
give Ricky an advantage because root beer makes me burp more than any other soda. I don't know why.
Orange soda makes me burp more than any soda.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so there's no time limit on this challenge. It's just whoever burps first loses, and we'll have to do the lime. And then
lemon.
after that,
he calls lemons limes.
lemon, lime, same thing. So just to show you that these are real. Oh, shoot. Okay, shoot. I didn't even shake mine up or anything. Careful. That smells good.
I've never had one, like a full one of these before. Have you?
I've never been able to. So I can't really chug drinks all that well. But whenever you're ready,
soda burns my throat really bad.
We're just gonna start, and we're gonna have to try to hold a burp in as long as we can. And I've been watching some videos, like it's hard, it makes your stomach hurt. If you throw up, just I guess.
I'm not gonna throw up. I think Sam will be dramatic and throw up. Ready?
I'm not gonna throw up. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh man, I swallowed wrong. Wow, you're actually doing good.
It's hot.
Oh, I can feel it. I can feel it right here.
My stomach hurts. I want to burp so bad. Okay.
Oh man. So where are you at? We're about at the same thing. Oh man, it's like right here. I can feel it.
I feel it too. I'm about to do it.
No, you're not. If you do it now, you're.
It hurts. I can't. It hurts.
Ooh, my stomach. My stomach hurts. Does your stomach hurt? Oh man.
It's like I feel it right through here. I don't want to do this anymore. I'm about to burp. I'm gonna burp.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Ooh, I almost did it.
Oh.
I think if I pace myself. No, if I pace myself like this.
Dude, my stomach hurts so bad right now.
Are you gonna throw up?
No, I'm not gonna throw up. My stomach hurts. Damn it. And that was a pitiful burp too.
Oh, I didn't think I was gonna win.
Oh. Dude, my stomach hurts.
Okay, I'm still going though.
Oh. Oh, that feels better.
Stop. Stop, it hurts.
Woo. That feels so much better now. Ah, man. Woo.
This is gonna make me
Does your
hate
stomach
orange
hurt?
soda. Yeah.
Obviously, I lost. Does your stomach hurt? Did you
Yeah.
just throw up?
No, no. Go. I'm about to burp.
You have to keep doing it.
I don't want to burp on camera.
You're gonna have to. Once you lost the challenge. I did a terrible, terrible job of cutting this.
Hurry. Hurry so we can end this.
No, we're not ending it. We're not. So I was supposed to cut it in half, but as you see, this bit.
I did it.
That was a pitiful burp.
I did it. I can hold anymore. Wow, we
That's
suck
all
at
you
this.
got?
We suck at this.
Okay, what if we keep going, and then
I can't do this anymore
why?
because it's too much.
Just what if we kept doing it, and then. Okay, so let me make sure there's not any seeds or anything in here.
There's definitely seeds in there. You can do it.
3/4 of lemon.
No, what? Is it that bad?
Not really.
Is it sour?
Yeah, it's sour.
Can I try some?
Got it all over my glasses. Dude, that's pretty rough. This, like,
Yeah,
that ain't
that's
no
hard.
joke. People have completed it, though, which is crazy.
I don't think I can though. But those are also people that like not think I can do anymore.
Dude, that leading up to the first like burp, my stomach was killing me.
My
Like, that-
stomach still hurts.
It's because you haven't burped.
I burped twice.
2 little burps don't count.
3 times.
Man,
4 times.
it's hot out here too.
5 times.
Just now?
Yeah.
I got lemon juice all over my glasses. I can't see nothing.
Okay, well.
Well, obviously,
This wasn't as great.
obviously I lost.
I won.
Let's see. Okay, so.
Okay,
that's a
but this was
comparison.
like all on a first try.
Yeah, you're right.
And that was Sam after like 5 tries. So I think I won.
Thumbnail.
Ugh, I looked at my nose.
Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was just kind of like a little challenge. We're going to be doing some more challenges in the future. Like we explained in the last video, we're going to be trying to posting once a week for you guys. And yeah, anything else you
I
want to say?
think this challenge sets the mood for all challenges, which basically means that I'll win. And Sam will try
I
his hardest
disagree.
to win.
I've
but
never
ultimately
been
I
able
will
to
win.
drink soda without burping. Like it's too hard. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like always, we appreciate you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.